Hello everybody, welcome to Hard Reset Pro. Today I'm going to show you how to change brightness level on OPPO A6 Pro 5G. So basically there are two options how to change your brightness level on your OPPO A6, and the first one is by opening your quick settings panel right here, and as you can see here, this scroller, here you can adjust your brightness level manually, basically. And the second option is opening up your settings and going here to display and brightness. Here you can adjust your brightness level manually as well, or turn on the auto brightness so your brightness will adjust automatically to your environment and activities. So basically that's it, that's how you change brightness level in your OPPO A6 Pro 5G. So thank you for watching and subscribe for more.